Every muscle in your body is a survival mechanism, and it will not grow unless something forces it to adapt. Progressive overload is that force. Here is exactly how to apply it. So many people show up to the gym and do the exact same 3 sets of 10 at the same weight as last month. The body adapts, plateaus, and stops growing, then they blame their genetics. The problem was never genetics, it was the bar. Funny moment, you can spot these people in the gym, same weight, same 3x10, same disappointment, same shirt slogan quote, every single week. A 2024 study in the American Journal of Physiology confirmed that mechanical overload drives anabolic signaling via the mTOR pathway, the central switch for muscle growth. A 2025 Theme Connect study comparing load progression to repetition progression found both significantly increased muscle size over 12 weeks. The conclusion is clear: progressive overload, adding weight or reps over time, is literally the only mechanism that forces continued hypertrophy. Everything else is helping hand. 2 to 5% load or volume increase per week. That is a tiny increment, half a kilogram on the bar, but over 12 weeks that compounds into a kilogram or more of genuine new strength and size. Step 1. Pick one compound lift today, squat, bench, or deadlift, and add the smallest available weight increment. Step 2. Add 1 to 2 extra reps per set versus last week on every compound movement. Step 3. Log every session, date, exercise, weight, reps, and sets. Your logbook is your evidence of growth. No log, no proof. The myth says genetics will eventually shut down all progress. The truth: genetic ceilings do exist but take years of elite, structured training to hit. A consistent 2 to 5% weekly progression keeps almost all natural lifters growing well beyond beginner stages. Show up, add a little, keep going. Today you learned that progressive overload is the only mechanism that forces growth, everything else is a supporting actor. Track your lifts and always add something. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 15, we reveal the 5 compound lifts that build 80% of your size, and why they beat isolation for mass.